Hi, welcome to Prashi Ascending, and I'm in a very different mood today, so it's like going to be a very peaceful and relaxing video, and it's going to be a little shorter one. So, what I was thinking about, or what was coming to me, with again going with the reference of our further videos, is the theme that is highlighted in Bhagavad Puran on the journey of unconditional love. It could be actually split in two parts, and that will make it like very simple for you and all of us. Is that it's a journey of a soul in these two dimensions of remembrance and forgetfulness. So what it says that when we are born on this planet, we swallow the pill of forgetfulness, like we forget our true identity, and then we get caught up in the worldly illusions. So the illusions are not described as like having certain desires or having preference for certain experiences is like wrong or bad, but when we actually get caught up in them and we think that's the only thing that exists, there's nothing beyond it, that's when the problem comes, because like nothing is permanent, everything is changing, and then if we are not adaptable enough in this game, then it mainly confuses us. Like if you have observed in all your problems, what happens is not the pain or suffering that causes you a problem, but it's actually like you get confused and you feel stuck. So that's the part of forgetfulness. And gladly, like Krishna has also given us remembrance. So once we try a lot of different things and things don't work for us, things pretty much fail for us, then we get this remembrance of, oh, this is a game and we are doing a lot of different things, but always having this memory or this remembrance of we are maybe from this planet, but we are not of this planet. And that like opens up doors for eternal happiness, for eternal peace. So those are the two themes of forgetfulness and remembrance. So analyze all your life, see that only these two themes are playing out. So anytime something negative happens to us, and the first thought that comes in our mind is we just want to push it away, we want to push it off, we don't even want to have slightest memory of that event. And again, with the memory, if you look at the other side of it, we look at beautiful pictures and beautiful moments so ardently. We are just like, wow, those were really sweet memories. And the past could be also just classified in two words here, which is remembrance and forgetfulness. And what we have to learn from it is, if all the problems of the mind in the past are getting resolved with forgetfulness and remembrance, it would certainly happen in the present and future as well. So why not like have awareness of these things and then operate from it, that anything that we are doing is either coming from forgetfulness or either coming from remembrance. And in the further videos I'm going to explain like how these two are equally important for us to have a happy life. So it's the perfect mix that we should achieve. So awareness is the key again here. To make it like very clear, remember your favorite movie. Whenever we are watching any favorite movie, definitely for few moments we become like one with the movie, we become one with the experience, we forget our surrounding, we forget our lives, we forget our problems. That's why it's called entertainment. And then it ends and we go back to our routine life. We don't like cry that, oh my god, why the movie has ended, but remember that time when it ends. Like for a split of a second you get this hit of, oh, like now I'm back into the reality. So again, it's the dream and the dreamer concept. So we'll go about it in detail in the coming videos. But take any problem that you're facing, I'm sure it's on the mental level rather than in the physical reality, and see if you are operating from remembrance or forgetfulness, and how you have to strike a balance between the two to have a great human experience. So I hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe, share and like. And all the people I know who are just watching and not subscribing, please do that, so you will get some good tricks and tips to live a meaningful life, a life filled with unconditional love. So till then, Radhe Radhe. Bye.